Next on Ben Heaney tour. Right now, just take a little time off, man. This pro day and combine training and stuff, it's pretty tolling on the body. So maybe take a couple days off, just get my body feeling back right, and then start training again, getting ready for the draft. I'm staying here in Lawrence. I'm training here from now on. I'm training actually with, I don't know if she's still out here, Andrea Hootie. She's been training me since I got back from the combine, and I like what she's been doing, so I'm going to stay with her throughout the next couple months. Well, you know, the Bucks are coming down to work out me and Jacory on the 27th, and the Patriots are coming on the 31st. So those are the two that are coming down right now to look at me. That's about it right now. Yeah, I mean, I just talked to one of the coaches up here today, and you know, he just told me that you know, they've seen everything they need to see about me. You know, my game tape speaks for itself, and I'm a guy that's so close that when I was telling you at the combine, they weren't really talking to me. Remember? They said that they were just talking to guys that they have concerns about, and they don't have any concerns with me. And they know, you know, what kind of player I am. They've seen me play through these past 3 years, and they just know that basically they don't need to know anything else about me. Well, I'm planning right now to have my draft party in Kansas City, because that's where my whole family is. My whole dad's side of my family is based in Kansas City. So probably in Kansas City, and you know, I'll have some friends over, and we'll just watch the draft and just hang out. And it's gonna be a dream come true, man. That's what I've been working for since I was in 3rd grade, man. Since I first started playing football. You know, this is my favorite sport since 3rd grade. Been my best sport, just what I've been good at my whole life. So if my dreams come true, then I'll be a happy man. Well, everyone sees me as kind of a Mike or a Will backer, so I'll be inside somewhere. But you know, I really don't care. I've played in all of them. I've had 3 different defensive coordinators. I played in the 3-4. I played in the 4-3. I'm comfortable in any of them. I can play any position. I'm just confident. I'm ready to get on the team and make an impact. You know, if you're considered not athletic, you're considered a gym rat, a film rat, a student of the game, which I would say I am. You know, I'm in the film room. I like watching film and studying film, but you know, my athleticism has always been either diminished or just basically like it hasn't been there. Like I have no athleticism. Like basically everything I'm doing is just based off my hard work and stuff. But you know, my athleticism speaks for itself. I think I'm a very athletic linebacker, and I think I'm athletic as anybody in the draft at linebacker. You know, that's a good question. I think it's basically, you know, going into college, it's like I'm the one that's kind of interviewing the Kansas Jayhawks, the Kansas State Wildcats, stuff like that. So I'm the one that's doing the interview, and I get to choose where I want to go. But going into the NFL, it's more so they're the one interviewing you to see if you can fit their team, you know? So it's a lot different. It's basically just some team has to take a chance on me, and some team has to just like how I play and just have a defensive scheme that I'll fit into. And, you know, whoever does it, you know, I'll be happy to join the squad. I'm ready to go, ready to make an impact wherever